cafeteria food can't be healthy, delicious, and gourmet. Today we're going to be making the students my tasty baked ziti with basil and fresh mozzarella.
Okay, let's start off with Randy Marsh's Baked Ziti, and I'm not gonna show his cooking show intro. Okay, fine.
La 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 la. Oh, fuck yeah. La 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 la, Fraice, Fraice. Oh yeah, man. Oh. Cream Fraice, Cafeteria Fraice. La 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 la, Fraice. Ho 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 ho.
Dad, what are you doing?
Are you happy now, you little blue-hatted bastard? Alright, let's start Randy Marsh's Baked Ziti off in a pan with a little bit of olive oil. You want to add 1 pound of chopped chicken. And then we're going to add up some sliced smoked sausage. This is just a Hillshire Farm smoked sausage or rope sausage. And you're wondering, well, wait a minute, aren't you cheating a little bit? Again, I'm going with Randy Marsh, and Randy's kind of an idiot. So I could see him actually doing something like this and calling it gourmet, but trust me, it's going to be delicious. So you want just one little Hillshire Farm rope sausage, slice it up, and you want to kind of fry this or saute this chicken and sausage up just a little bit. Remember, everything's pre-cooked, so we don't need to do too much to it. Okay, and in a fairly large saucepan, you want to grab 2 jars of your favorite spaghetti sauce. And you want to put some ricotta cheese in there, just your standard tub. I think it's 16 ounces. And make sure you get whole milk ricotta. Fuck that skim or part skim bullshit. Fucking whole ricotta. Fuck the extra 1% of fat you'll have in it. Ooh. And then you just want to stir this around till the ricotta starts to pretty much break apart and somewhat melt. This will take some time. And at some point, get a large pot of water starting to boil on the stove. And once the water starts to boil, that's when you add the salt and your pasta and cook according to package directions. Taking off 1 minute from the package because, again, pasta will continue to cook after you've drained it. Okay, our ziti has been cooked and drained. And now it is time to add that lovely ricotta spaghetti sauce to this. And in the words of the sick son of a bitch from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre,
it's the meat. Don't skimp on the meat.
Then you just want to stir all this shit around for a couple of minutes, making sure everything gets all nice and mixed together and well incorporated. Then in a 13x9 glass baking dish, you want to pour the pasta mix all in, and take a little extra time to even this motherfucker out so you got a nice, even layer. Okay, time to get this motherfucker ready for the oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees. Okay, this is your fresh mozzarella. The best place to get these logs is at Costco. They're about half price compared to the grocery store. Then, you want to dust on some dried basil, and once you've done doing that, you want to do some freshly ground black pepper and bake for about 35 minutes. And after about 35 minutes in the oven, you should have something like this. So this is Randy Marsh's Baked Ziti. Done.